Hey guys, let me show you how to make chicken and rice like you never had it before. It's a super easy one-pan meal that's packed with flavor. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I have less than 10 ingredients. As always, you'll be able to find it in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Alrighty guys, so for this recipe, we're going to use 2 pounds of chicken breast or chicken thigh. And we're just going to create a spice blend by mixing 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, ground cumin, and black pepper. So just mix them all together. And of course, if you want to skip on any of the spices, you can always do so. But just keep in mind that that's where all the flavor begins. So once we have that, now we're just going to sprinkle it all over our chicken. And make sure that you pat it and just do it to both sides. Now that we have that, we can take it to the stove. Alrighty guys, so we're going to begin by adding a little bit of oil to our pan. Set it over medium-high heat and allow it to heat up. Once it's nice and hot, we're going to add our chicken. And we're just going to sear it for 2 to 3 minutes per side. Okay, after 3 minutes, flip the chicken over and allow that side to sear for another 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, reduce the heat to medium. And here we're just going to remove the chicken from the pan. And the chicken is not cooked yet, okay? And now here we're going to melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Now add your 1 onion and saute it for a couple minutes. Okay, after a couple minutes, add 1.5 cups of rice. Just going to mix it and give this a couple more minutes. After a couple minutes, we're going to add our minced garlic. Just mix it and allow it to cook for 30 seconds. Once you begin to smell the garlic, that is done. So here we're going to add our corn, along with our roasted poblano. Okay, we're just going to mix it. And here we're just going to season it with a little chicken bouillon or salt. Now add 3 cups of chicken broth or water. So just mix it and scrape the bottom of your pan so you can remove all of the burn bits. Okay, now that we have added that, we're going to add our media crema. Okay, so just make sure to mix it all together. And we're just going to bring this to a simmer. Once our rice comes to a simmer, we're going to return our chicken. Okay, now here we're going to reduce the heat to low. Cover it and allow it to cook for about 30 minutes or until all of the liquid has evaporated. Alrighty guys, and once all of the liquid has evaporated, our arroz con pollo should be done. Of course, make sure that you check it. Alrighty guys, and once all of the liquid has evaporated, we're just going to allow it to rest for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, we can now get ready for the fun part, and that's serving. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now, of course, I like to serve my arroz con pollo with some tortilla chips, but you're always welcome to enjoy it however you want. But let me tell you that this right here, it's honestly super delicious. It's so flavorful. The rice is so creamy, and it's honestly the best. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. This right here, so simple, yet so flavorful. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a super easy and delicious chicken and rice poblano. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.